Hey, it's me, Jerma, and you're watching the Disney Channel.
By the way, where is the chef? You. You're the new chef. Yes, tenderize that meat. Tenderize the meat. Because when you eat me eventually, you will eat me first. I'm the captain and I decide that. We go down with that ship, tenderize these bones.
Our captain's crazy, lad.
Bedroom. We're the new heads of the family after all. It is own. Hey, I don't know who you are.
Are you really that? I just turned the fucking stove off. Are you kidding me? Oh, shit.
Does anyone know this guy?
I turned the stove off. I turned the stove off. I turned off the stove. Really?
That's it. Enough is enough.
Oh, god damn it. Right, I'll do 6 weeks. Okay, alright. We'll book you against Vulture straight away to reignite your feud. Wait, is this supposed to be scripted? Listen, Mr. Satan, a lot has changed since we first signed you to $3,400 a week 30 seconds ago. A lot has changed. We all have to make sacrifices to stay afloat. So how would you feel about taking a pay cut? Excuse me? We haven't even left the office yet. We have not, I haven't even gone to the bathroom since I signed that contract. No, excuse me, pay me what we agreed. Well, fuck that. What? If you insist on being a financial drain, I'm gonna have to cut you off?
Marijuana.
Okay. I mean, give me a fucking break. What's the next one?
Cocaine.
All right, I don't do that. So I don't do that. I swear to God, I don't. What's this one?
Molly.
Best joke of the year taking more than 5 minutes to set up. Was there blood in my stool? Behind the scenes. Goot. Loot. Zoot. Woot. What? Root. What in the name of fucking God is this? I'm gonna freak out. Behind the scenes.
Safest is. Maybe I should stick with English. But you might want to brush up on your French because.
But you have to give me a break.
The
only thing I remember from Arcane was, oh, the misery. Every single person is my enemy. That's all. That's the only thing I know. I don't know anything else. And the song goes, oh, the Imagine Dragons. They have that formula down. They have that. Resident Evil 8 was really fun too. I really liked Resident Evil 8. I thought it was great.
Did you play 7?
I did, yeah. Did you just not listen to a single thing I just said for the last 2 minutes?
I'm just checking and make sure no chatter left behind. There were some people asking. Do you like 7 more than 8, or which one more?
I had that debate here in this chat. I don't know. I think 8 is a better video game, but I think 7's potentially like more interesting setting. 8 is probably a better video game to me. 7 is like a more interesting place, I think. I like the idea.
From my perspective of, again, I haven't played either of them. I just watched people play them. I thought 7 was much, much better. But to say, like, yeah, I could see how you could enjoy the gameplay of 8 more. And that, like, I'm not even playing it.
Did you play 7 and 8? Did you play both of them or no?
No, like I just said, are you even listening to me? I watched people play both of them.
Dude, we don't even listen to each other. We just wait for the opportunity for the next person to talk.
Fucking
Caverns. I don't know what that is. Oh, that was so loud. I'm sorry. I forgot I turned up the volume. I'm sorry. I forgot that I turned myself up.
Gotta get out of here! Oh my god!
Oh, he just got him. I told you guys. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, he got him. Oh my god, because I stepped on a fucking twig. Wait, what? What's going on? Shoot it! I couldn't shoot the gun! Oh my god! No! What? Why wouldn't the gun shoot? Why wouldn't the gun shoot? Why didn't the gun shoot? This sounded like fucking Sylvester. Oh, that. Oh, suffering succotash. Ow, ow, ow. That Sweetie Bird bit me on the fucking finger. Yow. If the water seems too deep, call on a friend. Uh-oh. No friends. Oh, shit. Holy shit.
Score.
That's the only time I'm doing that for the whole night, I promise. Okay, I will tell you, I cannot do that during Gotham Knights. Like, I can't. I literally can't. How does this go on? How do you put on scopes?
No. I didn't even get a chance to dodge. You holding the scope in one hand?
It's a team, not a guy. No, Chris Benoit, I don't think so. Jesus. Oh my fucking lord. Sailing for sure. My Jesus Christ. We already know that this was searched for way less.
We're in charges?
120 FPS,
Good.
man. You guys
Let's
don't
see
see
what
it,
you
but I
can
do.
Shit. Up in the sky.
Somebody shit in the sky?
EDF gunship.
Oh.
Didn't think they'd be out here today. I'll keep an eye on it. You get the salvage.
Destroy the laboratory. Oh! Ow. Oh, my fucking head. Ow. Can I get 2 cheesy gordita crunches? And a large Baja Blast? And 1 Doritos Locos Taco. Hey, so when does the stream become fun? I don't know, you tell me. And now we're having fun! And now we're having fun! And now we're having fun! Let me break. I'm having an issue. I'm not sure what the problem is. It's something about the fact that maybe wowie zowie. Gunner optics, shove them up your ass.
You feel like it. You don't have to because I have a fucking gross mustache. Oh, they were just making fucking deals. You know what I mean? Just every.
Huey released this. 4. Their most accomplished. In 87, Huey released this. 4. Their most accomplished.
I hate this.
Huey released this. 4. Their most accomplished.
How old is this? It's a little. 2 days, maybe?
Can I play Diablo 2 now?
I'm sorry. Oh my god, that hit him right in the face. I didn't think it, I thought it was just gonna phase through him. Somebody said you're making the Among Us map. I don't even play it, but that's funny. I like know what that is. Should I just make this Among Us? Oh, this is admin. I don't even know what admin does. I don't know what admin is. I just know always that somebody's there getting in trouble.
Papo's got one. Are you dead?
Nope. Almost though.
I can wait,
He's coming. He's coming. Are you petting him?
Come and mop up, boys. I'm done here.
It's come and mop up. But now, I'm not going to be able to unhear that for the next 30 times I die to this guy.
Because I'm tiny? But I can't, you don't understand, I can't do that. I don't have my Go XLR plugged in anymore. So I can do this, but I don't know if that matters. It's because I'm tiny. Oh, okay, I see. Watch out. Okay, I'm gonna go this way.
It's meat wad.
Ooh, red.
Red, because I'm a Sith Lord. Dude, I like the air tortoise here. It's like a dubstep weapon. When it shoots at you, the thing was like... That was crazy. That was awesome.
That was some sick dubstep.
Yo, keep playing that.
Oh, Jesus!
This spinning around.
Wait, did I just see a giant dog?
What the dog doing?
Oh,
What the
shit.
dog doing? What the dog
That's
doing?
literally me. What?
What the dog doing? 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 What the dog?
Like, got it. Like, what? I'm sorry, man.
I
You wanna
got
take the
all
vent
my
quick?
tasks are on the other side. All my tasks are on the other
mine
side.
too.
This is a teleport, right? I
Jerma
can get
and
quickly
Crichton,
over there.
Can you guys
Yeah.
just click this right here? Just click that.
Sure.
See?
Let me give it a shot.
Listen.
Yeah, everyone click.
Oh my god! 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 We gotta get over there quickly.
Oh my god.
This is terrifying. He did it. He actually did it. He did it. He actually did it. He can't kill us, right?
Shit, he actually did it.
Press the button.
Is this a cake or is this real?
That son of a bitch.
Oh, hold
Okay.
on 1 second. Hold on a second.
And what's going on?
What's going
on?
What's going on?
Nobody's.
What happened?
Let me take the floor. Let me take the floor.
Let's
I
see what
was
he's
with
got.
Crichton, I was with Jerma, and I was with Charborg, right? And I said, I just said, hey, can you guys go to the vent and click it? That way you can see if you're a sus. And you know what? Crichton is the sus.
Okay. Nothing special. Balls in. Is this doing anything? Is this gonna fix my problem? Oh yeah, this is the. I love this song. I want this played at my fucking funeral. All right, okay. Okay, all right. We're gonna neck it. Wait a minute. Perfect.
Come on, follow me. Come on,
Good.
follow me.
Hold on a minute. I got this. No shit. I'm trying to swing it. Where's my weapon? Don't I have a weapon? Oh, fuck. This person's doing graffiti. Well, bye. What the fuck are you doing? Why would you do that? What were you thinking? What are you doing? What a fucking idiot. Remember, this is pre-recorded. You might think that. It says probably feel that way. What do we got here? Gold teeth. Okay. It's an AI generated stream. I'm just testing the waters to see if you notice. It's an AI generated stream. I'm just testing the waters to see if you notice. It's an AI generated stream. I'm just testing the waters to see if you notice. Excellent. Oof. Excellent. Oof. Excellent. Ooh. Excellent. Do it again. I don't think I can, right? Let me give you a proper reaction. Hold on. Hold on. You'll get it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And this video, we're checking out the new weird big structure that I just found in Subnautica. Whoa! This thing is huge, guys. Now remember, if you think this is huge, make sure to like the video. And if you think it's gigantic, make sure to share the video with your friends. So here we go. We're going to go inside the building. And whoa, spooky. I'm just kind of scared about this. What is this over here? Can I interact with this, maybe? I'm not sure. Whoa!
Oh shit, that's somebody else.
I don't fucking understand. How do I... What's going on? What the fuck? Oops. The fuckers are all over the place. Oh shit.
Yeah. That's what I hear. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah. Shut the fuck up. Stupid. You're all stupid idiots. You're dumb? You're the dumbest one here.
I've been doing this for like 25 years. I like to spend some time with my 7 children. You know, Dave, Danielle, Donnie, Danielle 2, Davey, Rick, and